So good evening everyone. It's already 8:58 p.m. So let's get it started. Do we have anyone?
I told you, that's not my problem. Oh, sorry guys. Did I mute?
Sorry, don't worry, Mary, hindi naman narinig.
So thanks everyone sa time ninyo. I know we're all busy dahil sa Glow Up Lunch preparation.
By the way guys, nakita nyo na ba yung final logo animation na gisend ko? Diba? Aesthetics, that's on fire.
Oh wow. Maganda April.
Very static.
Yes.
Everyone nakikita yung bugs reported at 7 a.m. In April, it's not fire, it's fire hazard.
Actually, that's the reason kung bakit ako nagpatawag ng meeting. I just got off the phone with the Vice President.
Alam ko na yan. The Q3 projection?
Yeah, they're cutting our lunch budget by 20% immediately.
Oh, nice joke, Ma'am Shella. But seriously, sa 14 days na ang lunch party natin.
I'm pulling up the spreadsheets. Kapag nilose natin ang...
Nakamute ka, Miss Mora.
Hala, sorry. I'm pulling up the spreadsheets. Kapag lose natin ang 20%, malulugi tayo. So we have to cut something bigger now.
Sabi ko na, this timeline is unrealistic 3 months ago. We need to delay lunch. At hindi tayo lunch kung sira ang apps at wala tayong pera.
No, hindi tayo magde-delay. Nasa moment na tayo, oh. We just need to be creative. What if mag-lunch na lang tayo virtual only?
Virtual won't save us enough. Kailangan natin i-cut ang premium chat features and it's costing 10,000 fees.
Oh, ang premium chat nga ang heart ng glow up. You can cut the heart out of the body, Mary. Wait. Says... Kailangan ba natin magbawas ng mga tauhan?
No, April. Wala matatanggal. We're just thinking about the app features. Let's just take a breath, everyone.
Pero alam nyo, cutting the features will also save my bugs. So, agree ako. I vote to cut it.
Gusto mo lang mapadali ang buhay mo, Jinky. We need that feature for the wow factor.
Tim, please, we have to decide. Delay the lunch or cut the cut picture?
Kailangan natin ng wow factor.
Stop. Look. April wants the wow factors, habang si Jinky wants the stability. Si Dones want to save money.
You're right, Miss Zamora. So what's the solution?
What if mag-launch tayo on time but we level the chat features as coming soon? Tapos, we launch the basic versions now to save the budget and release the chat in Q4 kapag may pera na tong team.
Oh, if we push that chat to Q4, we save the server cost for now.
At dahil dyan,
put us back to budget.
dahil dyan, kailangan 2 or more months to fix the Android bug. So, carry na rin yun.
Pwede naman. But I guess, coming soon will create anticipation, like a teaser.
Yes. It's a place I lunch. I like it. Guys, did you catch that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Um, by the way, it's perfect. Tapos na ang crisis, ha. I aim to the Vice President. Thanks, everyone.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. See you next meeting.